My name is Clark Brown. I'm the owner and founder of Restoration Advisors, and 22 years into this industry as a contractor. And now I specialize on the training, consulting, coaching, and mentoring side. This is about my 6th time coming to an RIA event. We're here in West Palm, Florida. I've watched many of the transitions, not as many as a lot of people, but I like the direction we're going. I think that the challenges we have in this industry creates a lot of new opportunities every year for us to slightly shift, but I like that the RA has continued to remain focused on the core principles of their goals. This year in West Palm, I have noted on all of my social media channels that the energy has been very high and generally optimistic. We still have challenges. There are people who have opinions of what we should be doing, but we are doing something, and I have found that's been the general consensus. And of course, the team, the RIA volunteers, the event has been magnificent, all the way down to the smoothies. I have been asked over the last 3 days by a lot of people that were here for the first time, as well as people that are in multiple online groups or some kind of social media channels, of what is the IRA? And these are usually smaller to medium-sized companies. What is the RIA? What is it for? What do you get from it? And that is a big question. But I tell everyone, if networking and collaborating is an avenue that you think is beneficial to your business, then this is the place to be. This is not a TPA. This is not a lead gen. You're not going to get that. You're going to find out where the industry is going, maybe what technologies are emerging, but what direction are we headed in? What should we be doing collectively? And I would tell anyone, I know that budget constraints are there. I know that time constraints are even more expensive than money. I would recommend you find a way to try and invest and try it out for 1 year. It's hard to throw arrows if you don't come and give it a shot. And then it's just what you make of it. Make connections, make meaningful connections. And for people that aren't like you, doing things differently than you, I would highly recommend restoration contractors, trainers. If you're contributing to this space, this is the event. All events have a different flavor, but I think this is the one that you will probably say, if I want to get to the next level, if I want to meet some brown and black belts, this is where they're spending their time. And I would recommend you make the trip next year to Savannah, Georgia, and just go and put yourself involved, meet as many people, sit at the tables at meals, go to the parties and ask questions. And then of course, go to the expo hall and meet those people, because they can introduce you to people that they know. For me, in my business, I have been making some conscious efforts of becoming more involved. We're looking to see what that might be from the time I have. They are asking everyone. Everyone in this industry has something to contribute. You have ideas and plans and opinions. Bring it. Let's see how it formulates and do something. So show up next year. Show up the year after that and the year after that, but make it consistent. Grow with it. But if you don't like what you see, tell someone and figure out how you can find what you need. But next year, Savannah, Georgia, should be a great time.